What's up, guys? It's KSK2. So today we are going to be playing with slime.
I hope our slides are already okay.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, I'll take some.
It's not messing on the table. Try it.
Yours goes on your hand.
Mama got mine.
What? How? That is not fair. Mine
Come and show me. You try.
just goes on my hand. That's just
I took out all mine.
How? No, this is no.
Can you do this?
How?
Do this a little.
Actually, look.
Squish it.
Mine is
Can
dirty.
you be squish it? Squish it.
My hands are dirty.
It feels like I might pop it. But I could try. I could try. What's inside it?
It's just.
Oh, there's just nothing. Oh, it's so cool.
Get in there. Oh, my hands are clean now. I just.
Oh, I took it. Oh no.
I like to.
Oh, I knocked it off. The car. My car.
Put on the table. Get my hand out.
Stretch. Up.
Okay, let me just. Oh, so cool. I need to get my hands out. I need to clean my hands. Don't have to do that now. Just squish it. Actually, let me just stretch it quick.
Yeah, that was ready.
Stretching it.
That was ready.
Nice.
I wrote it.
Put it in a circle. We'll just here.
I'm gonna make something with this. What shall I make?
Here.
Look at it.
Don't think mine's ready.
Do this. That is ready. One is like your one. One was like your one. That one. Yours is so cool. Look, mine's done.
Look at that though. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Oh, did you see through it?
Oh, just look at that though.
Your
Oh,
hand is
my
so.
hand.
You messed it up.
I can't put it on the table. I'll just do it.
I'll make a face. How you do it? Oh, I could make. Yeah, this could be the face. A dark face. Purple
Let's make
face.
a. That's the one. This is the.
I could make
This is the
squish out.
burger. Don't know if I'm
What's
supposed to
that?
do that. Well,
What's this? I had a bubble.
that
You
was
missed-
bad idea.
Oh, why'd I pop the bubble? You couldn't let. I couldn't let you see. Couldn't let
Such a
them
bad
see.
idea. So dumb. Bad idea. Well, looks like I have two slimes together.
A bubble. Look at it.
Oh,
Bubble. Buy another one.
look at that though.
Oh, I popped it. Where's it? Oh. Squish, squish, and
I need
squish.
to clean my hands
I'll
now.
make a face. Squish,
My
squish,
okay. We'll just
squish. With eyes. Make a mouth now.
we'll stretch it out.
Yeah, my face. Look at the ears. No. Oh, nose. I forgot. The nose.
Actually,
Nose. The eyebrows.
I'm gonna mix these all together. You know, if that was a bad idea. So yeah. And now let's go to the next one. Yep.
Yay, I made
It's
it.
ready.
Now the ears.
Go into the next one.
Next one.
Yep.
Oh, look at this slime. Oh, it's so. Mine will be ready actually. Look kind of wood.
Yep.
Oh, I need to. My hand is
Mixing it in.
This is so watery. It's such a watery. Mine is like yours. It's watery.
Make a whole big slime.
Okay, we'll put this on the table.
Like making a
now.
whole big slime.
My hands are dirty.
All mixed up slime.
Ah,
All mixed up.
this is annoying. I'll put this back in.
Some toys in there.
Yes.
Some toys in there.
Ah, this can make noise.
Get some toys in there. But I don't really want the toys in there.
Where is it? Oh, I dropped my other cup.
So yeah. Oh my goodness. Only one cup. We'll try to put this
Oh,
in
this
one
can't
cup.
squeeze. Oh, no. Oh, mixed it. Oh. Squeeze it. What's that?
Look, okay.
No, I mixed it. Oh,
Doesn't matter, I'll mix mine.
I'll mix this. I'm gonna get a little bit of this as well. I'm getting a little bit of this and mix it. Mix in every single slime. No, I need to save some of this. Like that.
Oh, weird. But not weird enough. No, it wasn't.
Save the slimes. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, basically rainbow slime or something. I'm gonna make it a shape. I'm gonna squeeze this. No, it's not even squishy. Why not? I could make something with this thing. This is stretchy.
I'll just take this all out.
So stretchy.
Whoa! What the Oh, that's so fun. Ooh, look.
I'm trying to make a shape, but I can't. No, bro. No, she didn't. No.
Damn it.
It's so cool, isn't it? So cool. Oh, my poop. My poop.
How do you?
This is the perfect one. Look.
Whip some out.
Oh no, it broke.
Whip some out and then some poop.
No, bro. Keep on breaking. take contact.
Okay, it won't work.
You take contact.
So I'll just squeeze it in there.
This is hard. I'm just saving, keeping one.
I'm keeping all of them. Put this in my slime collection. Well,
What?
I don't have a slime collection, but just look at that.
Oh, this. Yeah, I got this and that. So I'll cover this together.
Basically, yeah, I'm gonna try and put this in. But if I can't put it in, I'm gonna try.
You try to put all of them together.
Okay.
That's enough, look. Oh, it's so weird.
Yeah. I'm trying to fit all of this in. Don't know if I can, but I'll try. What we do then?
No, what?
Try. Now, mayonnaise.
Oh, I'm gonna do
This overflowing cup.
Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Click the notification bell.
And see you in the next video. Peace.